Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here. It is Tuesday, report day. We have got that right in front of us. 11 o'clock today, we're going to see new WASDE numbers, supply and demand, and we'll get world production. So we'll see what that does. We're going to probably be reminded of somewhere close to 2 billion carryout now for corn, and that was really the biggest change here was from the quarterly stock numbers that we had on this last report. And so somewhere close to 2 billion is the expectation for corn. We're going to see beans close to 900 million, and then wheat up above that billion mark again. So we have a lot of wheat out there. We saw conditions yesterday, wheat conditions that were actually they were good again, and so that's probably what gave us the downturn for the wheat market overnight, starting things off 3 to 4 lower for wheat, and that starts us with more of this negative momentum. But we'll see what these numbers look like, because right after this, we're going to go ahead and continue talking weather. And so there's snow on the way for certain areas of the Corn Belt, areas in Nebraska up through Iowa, Minnesota looking for a lot of snow, and then up into Wisconsin as well. We're supposed to get some flurries is what I just heard this morning, but you know, the idea is that there's still snow. Here it is, almost the middle of April. And what kind of effect can we get or can we see from this as we move forward? So we'll keep that in mind as well. We'll see where that takes things, but also keep in mind that as we go toward the end of this month, we do have a lot of these May basis contracts that are due, a lot of cash corn that could end up hitting this market as well. We need to be reminded of that. We know what happens typically as we get close to that. We do have a lot of cash selling that needs to occur yet, because the farmers right now are certainly holding on to a lot of grain, and we need to see that switch hands as well. But a lot of that may end up giving us some pressure here as we get later in this month. But right now, the weather will take front and center stage after this report at 11 o'clock. And what we'll do is we'll bring you this report live on Twitter. So follow us on Twitter, get on that. We'll bring you these numbers live on Twitter here as they come out. And then we'll have a breakdown of that. Rich Nelson, right around 11:30, we'll be sending out just the analysis of what it is, what it means, and what to expect from these numbers as we get those as well. So give us a call, stay in tuned, let us know what's going on out there. We'll bring you guys any information we certainly can. Reach us at 800-262-7538 or the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today. We'll chat again with you soon.